You're watching Fugitive Red Eye, and welcome back to Gantz the Game. This is part 3. I'm recording this intro slightly after I've done the video itself. I do want to apologize. There is a bit of an echo for a while in the video, but it does eventually get sorted out. Also, this was taken from a live stream, so it is a little bit out of context with some of the stuff, so you may not understand everything that's said, but regardless, it's still enjoyable, and let's get on with the game. Alright, should be live now. As you can see, I'm playing some more Gantz the Game. This is part 3 of Gantz the Game. If you've missed the other 2 parts, they are available on the channel. Alright then. Again, I don't speak a word of Japanese, so I'm gonna have to, gonna have to go about this in a, just repeatedly pressing circle kind of way. Nani? This is the boss battle, like I said before, and this is the part where I got stuck when I first played through this game on my actual PS2. So, this is gonna be a bitch. The second one, this is gonna be a bitch. The boss battle, like I said before, because this boss. Hopefully, I said the right thing. Hopefully, I said the right thing. And there's the boss. This guy is one of the biggest pains in the asses in video games I've ever fought. Pretty sure he's talking about the green onion guy. I heard negi, which I know means onion, so that's about all I understood. Make sure we can hear myself. Yeah? Yep, okay, good.
Easy.
Alright. Now, hopefully I still have the... Hopefully I have the X gun, because if not, I am totally fucked. Now, hopefully I still have the... Hopefully I have the X gun, because if not, I am X gun? Okay, good, I have the X gun. Without the X gun, I cannot defeat this guy. Okay, good, I have the X gun. He's on the rooftop. No, I have to kill these little guys before he'll come out, that's right. It's been a while since I've done this, but this boss battle is a bitch, and you will see that. No, I have to kill these little guys before he'll come out, that's right. It's been a while since I've done this, but this boss battle is a bitch, and you will see that. No, I have to kill these little guys before he'll come out. Okay, I think I need to crush some more of these, maybe? Where is the boss? Is he up on the roof yet? Let's go find out. I think I have to jump on the roof, but I can't remember how. Oh, there he is! There he is! Where is the boss? Is he up on the roof yet? And you gotta avoid that attack. That attack is fucking devastating. Oh, there he is! There he is! How the hell do I do this? I can't remember. You gotta avoid that attack. That attack. There we go! Yep. There we go. Okay, that is not hurting him at all. I think I need to get right up there with him. Or either that or I need to kill these guys. Okay, that is not hurting him at all. I think I need to get right up there with him. Or either that or I need to kill these guys. Or maybe I needed the rifle. No, maybe I need to hit his leg. Damn, I don't remember. Or maybe I needed the rifle. No, maybe I need to hit his leg. And if any of my teammates die now, they stay dead. Because that's how this game works. Okay, now I should be able to get up on the roof. I know. Here we go, this is what I need to do. I remember now. That's how this game works. I think I need to be in close range to hurt this guy. Okay, now I should be able to get up on the roof. I know. Here we go, this is what I need to do. I remember now. I think I need to be in close range. Damn it. Alright. Oh, shit. Fuck! Stop that blasting, damn it. Okay, there we go. Now that I'm right up by it. Yeah, there we go. You need to be really close to this guy to hurt him. That's it. Stop that blasting, damn it. Okay, there we go. Now that I'm right up by... Yeah, okay, now, I think, now that he's up there, I need to kill some more of the little guys. Oh, no, he's down there now. I just need to follow him. That's it. Okay, now, I think, now that he's up there, I need to kill some more of the little guys. Oh, no, he's down there now. I just need to follow him. Ah, shit, he's got Kato. Got to. Ah, shit, he's got Kato. Yeah. Oh, I knocked Kato out of his hands. All right. Okay, I don't think I can hurt him when he's up in the air like that without the rifle, so... Because I chose the X gun because it's my weapon of choice, and just have to wait till I can get close to him. Yeah, what? Kato, for fuck's sake, stop letting yourself get grabbed! Let's have Nishi do something. I don't know what that means, but do it. And you do that. What? Kato, for fuck's sake, stop letting yourself get grabbed! Sorry you're late. Yeah, no problem, man. I just barely started. This is a boss battle I got stuck on last time I played this game, so it's gonna be a real treat. Sorry you're late. Yeah, no problem, man. I just barely started. This is a boss battle I got stuck on last time I played this game. Oh, Kato might die. A real treat. Oh, Kato might die. Okay, I think I'm going to take out his arm. Yeah, I took out his arm. Ooh, I might have killed him. I might have killed him. Okay. If I kill him, I'm going to be so happy. I took out his arm. Music is really loud and hard to understand me. Huh. Hold on. I killed him! I fucking killed him! I killed him! Holy shit! That was the easiest thing ever! But I fucking killed him! I thought that was gonna be the most difficult shit ever, and I did it that easily! Why the hell did I get stuck on that last time? Let me know if the music's still too loud. I've turned it down, I think. Bitch, I just saved your ass and you're going to Kato? Fuck you. I mean, that's what happens in the series, too, but still. I just saved your ass and you're going to Kato? Fuck you. I mean, that's what happens. That's better, but my voice is repeating everything, and it's impossible to understand me. How? I figured out how. I am sorry. It should be better now. My bad, dude. Now it should be bearable, actually. Is that any better? How many points did I get? I just killed a fucking boss, so... Now I'm not repeating. Okay, yeah. I had the chat volume going, and XSplit picks that up, so that's the problem. I had the stream playing in the background. And you know what? Nobody died, too. I beat the boss with nobody dying. I am genuinely impressed with myself. I'm sorry. That chick looks like a chick from The Ring. I will edit it, dude. Don't worry. Although there's only so much I can do. I can't really stop the repeating, but maybe I'll cut some of it out. Maybe I'll just put a little intro disclaimer at the beginning of it, too, when I repost it. So much talking in this game. Yes, it is, dude. I have it all ready to go. Yeah, you stupid bitch. Get out of my house. I remember this part of the series. Can I tell her to fuck off like he does in the actual series? Shut the hell up about Kato, bitch.
優しく案内し
何もそうカートあれだろさっき加藤に一人暮らしか聞い
That's right, you tell her,
あ
man.
れって本当はあいつと住みたいんだろ
Yeah, get the hell out of my house, bitch.
都合よく利用しやがっ
ごめん
I really hope that the sex scene that happens, like, very shortly after this isn't in the game, because I don't want to strike. No, I do not understand any of this, but I've seen the anime, so this part happens in the anime.
ありがとう
Subscribe to Fiji Red Eye.